William Shakespeare is known worldwide as a master of words, but how would he sound if he existed today? To find out, watch this video until the end and comment with your own version of Shakespeare's classic quotes. If ladies be but young and fair, they have the gift to know it. If girls are young and gorgeous, they've got the built-in radar to sense it. When girls are out here looking like a whole snack, they've got their own hype squad in their head. When girls are straight up fire and slaying, they've got that inner TikTok telling them so. I do desire we may be better strangers. Can we just be strangers with benefits? The benefit being we don't have to hang out. I wish we could upgrade our status to strangers with 0 mutuals on Insta. Can we ghost each other like we're pros at social distancing? Brevity is the soul of wit. If it takes you more than a few seconds to make a joke, you're doing it wrong. Epic memes don't need a thesis statement. The shorter the tweet, the sharper the roast. The lady doth protest too much, methinks. She who denies too much admits. She's protesting like a politician caught in a scandal. Methinks she needs a better PR team. She's laying it on thicker than my Instagram filters, if you ask me. Misery acquaints a man with strange bedfellows. Adversity makes strange companions. When life gives you lemons, you might end up squeezing them into your ramen noodles while bunking with your mom's new boyfriend's son. Struggling really makes you swipe right on some unexpected profiles.